The Rajya Sabha today began a special discussion on the glorious journey of 75 years of the Constitution of India, with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman leading the charge from the Treasury benches to hit out the opposition on the issues of freedom of expression and protecting the Constitution. In her speech, she also paid tribute to the members of the Constituent Assembly, with special recognition to its 15 women members. She said that India's experience has shown that the country's constitution remains robust and has stood the test of times.
Post-Second World War, nearly 50 countries, in fact over 50 countries, had become independent and they had their constitution written, but many have changed their constitutions, not just amended them, but literally changed the entire feature of their constitution. But our constitution has stood the test of time, of course yielded itself to very many amendments.
The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change